In the sprawling heartlands of Australia, where rugged terrain meets the relentless sun, a new legend emerges from the shadows of the outback. The latest addition to the Ford Ranger lineage, known simply as the Black Edition, has captured the imaginations of enthusiasts and adventurers alike. This bold interpretation of the iconic Ranger brings forth a sophisticated yet commanding presence, draped in an exclusive Obsidian Black paint that glistens under the harsh Australian sun. Its sleek contours and muscular lines hint at its capability, blending seamlessly into both urban landscapes and the wild, untamed bush. Stepping closer, one is struck by the meticulous attention to detail that defines the Black Edition. Glossy black accents adorn its grille, side mirrors, and door handles, contrasting sharply against the deep, matte finish of the bodywork. Darkened alloy wheels, shod with robust all-terrain tires, stand ready to conquer any challenge thrown their way. Inside the cabin, the atmosphere is one of refined ruggedness. Premium leather seats, embroidered with the distinctive Black Edition insignia, offer comfort and support during long journeys across desolate highways or off-road trails. Brushed aluminum accents and ambient lighting further enhance the cabin's modern aesthetic, ensuring that every drive is a journey in luxury. Underneath its stylish facade lies the heart of a true workhorse. Powered by a potent yet efficient engine, the Black Edition Ranger delivers uncompromising performance when duty calls. Whether hauling heavy loads through rough terrain or navigating city streets with agility, its versatile nature shines through, proving its mettle time and again. In the realm of technology, the Black Edition is not to be outdone. A state-of-the-art infotainment system, complete with touchscreen interface and seamless smartphone integration, keeps occupants connected and entertained throughout their travels. Advanced safety features provide peace of mind, ensuring that every adventure remains as secure as it is exhilarating. Beyond its technical prowess, the Black Edition embodies a spirit of adventure and individuality. It stands as a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation and craftsmanship, offering drivers a distinctive choice in a sea of ordinary vehicles. For those who seek more than just transportation, it represents a lifestyle, an invitation to explore the vast and varied landscapes of Australia with confidence and style. As the sun sets over the horizon, casting long shadows across the rugged terrain, the Ford Ranger Black Edition stands as a beacon of timeless design and unwavering capability. It is more than a vehicle, it is a symbol of exploration, resilience, and the enduring spirit of adventure that defines the Australian outback.